Activities to commemorate the 2025 International Human Rights Day Conference brought renewed focus on accountability and the role of the legal profession in defending human dignity as participants converged on Lagos for the annual Human Rights Conference hosted by the Nigerian Bar Association.
Right to free legal aid.
Deliberations on the theme of the conference, Corruption and Human Rights, the Hidden Cost of Bad Governance, centered on how corruption continues to fuel violations across the justice system, education, healthcare, and security sectors, with a charge to lawyers and citizens to defend the rule of law and human dignity.
We stand here today to reaffirm our primary responsibility, which is to uphold and defend the rule of law. Our mandate is not confined to the technicalities of law, but extends fundamentally to the protection of human dignity that law is designed to serve.
We gather not only as legal practitioners, but as guardians of justice and advocates for the vulnerable. International Human Rights Day observed globally on December 10th reaffirms our collective responsibility to safeguard fundamental rights.
Corruption, no doubt, has a tremendous influence in our political system, especially in the type of democracy we practice here. Our brand of democracy ought to be subjected to a case study on its own.
Guest speaker and executive director of Citizens Advocacy for Social and Economic Rights, Frank Tietie, expanded on the theme, stressing that corruption weakens institutions, undermines governance, and erodes public trust.
When resources are not directed at solving problems, at meeting the needs of human beings, people suffer. Human rights are directly impacted. They are violated. And what we're talking about in terms of resources, is that there is a direct correlation between resources that are stolen with the violation of human rights. So if there are no resources for hospitals to provide medical services to Nigerian citizens and they die, that's a violation of human rights. It may be indirect, but actually the fact that monies that ought to have provided medical services, especially free, when the law prescribes that they should be free, especially basic medical services to children, to women, and such monies are found in private pockets, that is a direct and indirect violation of human rights. And that particular right we're talking about is the right to life.
The event closed with renewed calls for collective action to confront the hidden cost of bad governance and uphold Nigeria's constitutional and international human rights obligations.